Let me show you how to change color into dark skin to light skin in Adobe Photoshop. First, press Ctrl J to duplicate background layer. Change the blend mode to screen. Click Add Layer Mask icon. Press Ctrl I to invert the layer mask. Open your brush tool, and brush picker. Choose the soft round brush, the opacity, 100%, and the flow, 100%. Select the layer mask, click the foreground color, and make sure white, then click OK. And just paint on the face, just like that. Be careful, don't paint on the outside. Now, click the FX icon and choose the blending options. From the underlying layer, hold the Alt key to split the black slider and the white slider. Click OK once you're satisfied. If you think it is too much, you can always go ahead and decrease the opacity. I'll choose 75%, and that's fine. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.